that cool? Are you going to try to pet him? They're not very good animals to pet. They don't like to. Okay, you ready? You want to put this back on? Can you put it on?
Can you eat it?
There you go. He's full. All right, so let's look at this guy. Let's look at this guy and see what's going on in here. He hasn't eaten all of his yet. Well, here he goes. He's going to get one. He's getting old. He's about 3.5 years old, this guy is. So we have to be real gentle with him. There he goes. He's eating some more. See how he's kind of turning sideways when he eats? It's because he's old. He's an old man. That fish is an old man. Do you know what the fish does? Can you make fish lips? Like this?
No.
That's fish lips. That's what fish do. Let's move the food up here. Let's move the food right here. Move it. Let's move it over so he can see it. He's having a hard time seeing. Here's another one.
I gotta look at the pound.
Feed the fish and then we're going to have sushi tonight.
Look at the pound.
He's full. He's not going to eat that one. It's right in front of him. Every once in a while, he'll eat right from the tip of my finger. It's amazing. This guy will. That guy. That guy will bite my finger off if I let him. Look, buddy. There you go. There you go. There he goes. He's trying. He's trying. He just can't get his mouth open around. He's gonna die soon. Ask him if he's full.
Full.
Or ask him, are you full?
Are you full?
I think he said yes. I think he said yes. He just wants to go back and lay down now. He needs some rest. All right, say see you later, guys.
See you later.
See you later, alligator.
See you later.
After a while, crocodile. Say bye, Mommy.